It is crispy. Hey, Aaron. I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beauty food. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing this recipe that is quick and easy to put together. It's a potato recipe and it is so delicious. It is crispy. Let me show you how I made this. I'll be creating this crispy potato recipe with the ice method. So let's start slicing thinly like so. This is exactly how you want it. The trick to adding ice to your potato is a traditional method, and I know that it works. It yields you results. So you want to soak this for about 15 to 20 minutes. The method helps you to remove excess starch from your potato. So I prepped my onions, drained the potato from the water, patted dry, added salt, and it is time to fry. Now, when you soak your potato in ice, it removes starch from your potato, resulting in a crispier texture of potato. So here is the recipe that I'm sharing with you. That's exactly how you know that your potato is gonna be crispy, because it begins to pop up like it did in this video, and you do not want to keep stirring your potato. No, let it be. I'll be garnishing this with basil from my garden, and I made a confit. Do you know what a confit is? So it's basically my peppers and garlics in oil. So this is how your potato should look when it is ready. This recipe brings about freshness. So drain the potato, pat them dry with paper towel, or just allow them to drain for maybe 15 minutes before you start to fry. And I fried on medium heat because, remember, this is a crispy potato recipe. You add your onions immediately in that same oil. I love fried onions. So to my onions, I added salt, and this is what it should look like. It is also crispy. Yes, it's all crispy today. Now, in removing the potato, this is the spoon that I used because it will remove excess oil. So, like I said, I made a confit, right? So confit is basically in my saucepan like I have here. I heated this in olive oil in my microwave, and this is the result. You can add protein if that is your thing. I added fish. Alrighty, so let's continue this recipe. Remember to like this video, and let's go in with our confit. So in this pan we have our crispy potato potatoes, crispy fried onions, and now I am bringing in confit. My confit consists of basically garlic, peppers, and cherry tomatoes. This going in right now is black peppers. You want to do this quickly because remember, it is supposed to be crispy. So quickly mash your garlic. You can do this in a mortar, but I just chose to do this by hands because I want to still chew into the tomato and garlic at the end of the day. So that is why I am doing this. I am garnishing with my basil. Remember, this basil is from my garden. Alrighty, guys. So, confit should spend about 10 to 15 minutes until your garlic becomes soft. I have a recipe on how I made this. This is suya pepper I am adding, which is basically grounded hot pepper. To this, I am bringing in lemon. Oh my god, this recipe was just the bomb.com. I am just assembling everything together, and I hope when you try this, you are going to enjoy your crispy potato garnished with garlic and pepper confit. The ice method helps to ensure that your potatoes are exceptionally crispy. Do not forget this. While the confit adds a delicious and aromatic flavor to the dish. Let me know in the comment section if this is a recipe you are gonna give a try. Thank you so much for watching. And there you have it. Please like this video, leave me a comment or two. Let me know what you thought about this recipe. Is it something you are going to be trying? And consider subscribing if you haven't. I would love to see you again on my channel. That's all I have for you today. I'll see you in my next video.